Mustang Coupe.
I want one. Can you tell I want a lot of things? All right. How many more places do we have to go to, Ed? How much more is there? I mean, I feel like I've shot almost everything. I don't even know.
You really haven't. You've only seen about half the place.
All right, well then we're gonna do a quick run around and we're just gonna video everything. I'm not gonna talk about it unless I jump out of the car and get too excited about a car. Speaking of excited, there's a gorgeous Stingray convertible. Just gorgeous. And then there's all kinds of cars all over the place. So we're gonna just run in the golf cart and see.
We're gonna run the lot.
We're gonna run the lot, the expanse of this mall. It's a classic car guy's dream, in my opinion. Let's go, Batman. Wait, so this is like halfway through restoration?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's got a clear coat on it, but that's bare metal. He's got all the fenders.
And it's a 1928 Ford pickup. It's not original, is it? Is it original? This looks original. It's this banding looks original, but that's probably just. That looks real. Doesn't that look real? That looks like really old.
Of course it's real.
No, but I mean, what is the flathead? What's that? Oh, it's a flathead 4? Yeah, it's a flathead 4 because I can count the plugs. It's a brand new alternator. Starter. See, I still know my car parts. Headlight. Morgantown Auto Parts. Napa. Pretty cool. And look at that metal. Oh, clean metal. Isn't that pretty? Obviously, it's clear coated, or it'd be all rusty. Surface rust. Heck, there's some surface rust on the car. It snuck through without paint, I guess. But set up for the fenders. And now, I promise, we're going to stop getting excited about specific cars, and we are going to go for a road trip for the rest of the mall, and then call it a day. Very cool. There, had to show it. Had to show it. The daddy of the Mustang.
The big daddy.
The big daddy. Where are we going?
I want to introduce you to Peter.
Oh, okay, Peter. Look at that. That looks like fun. What the heck? A Polaris? That's a Polaris, isn't it?
Slingshot, yeah.
Polaris Slingshot?
Yeah.
A three-wheeler?
I could send it to you. And
What do they sell those for? What is that asking price?
you could
29, sorry, 29.8 for a Polaris. That's a rare creation. How many do they make? You don't know. I don't know.
did,
There's no way to know
and,
that. Unless you Google search it, and then you guys can tell me how many they made. Cool. All right, we're gonna meet Pete.
or on
Peter.